My name is Bharti Pillai. I'm here at HR Remedy today for my certification as I've done with my course. To be frank, I did my HR management from a very reputed institute, but I did not get the practical knowledge. I also got a very good job as an HR manager, but then I could not apply whatever I learned. So from a very good friend of mine, I got to know about HR Remedy, who give a very good practical knowledge. So in the course, I learned about recruitment, about payroll, and about core HR. I must say that the institute is really very good in helping upcoming students who wish to fulfill their dreams in HR. And the faculties are really very knowledgeable and good at their work. Suja ma'am, Abhishek sir, and Sachin sir have helped us a lot. And I will recommend everyone who want to prosper in their HR career to join HR Remedy for a practical knowledge.